Matt with Howe Equipment here, located in Jackson, Michigan. Are you tired of dealing with this string trimmer? Echo makes it easier than anything else out there. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Super quick video. We're going to show you how to put your trimmer line on an Echo. They have patented technology. This is called the speed feed head. It's the fastest thing that's out there in the market. This is going to be something that can help you with any of the models that you got below the very basic model that they have. So before you put this line in, obviously it's empty. This is went out on us. You need about 20 foot of line, and they say for the normal human being that would be 3 arms length. For a gigantic 6'8" man, only 2. So let's go ahead and look at how to do this. So you have a little, call it little arrow or a triangular piece there. It needs to line up with this hole. So this will ratchet, and you just got to make sure it lines up with the hole. You hear a little click when it goes into that spot. All you got to do is feed it through. So you do not need to unspool and wire this in there. You just feed it through, hence the speed feed. And you can gain a little bit of stability here if you kind of put that between your legs. And I'm going to get about an equal amount on both sides. So I've done that, pull it through, and all you got to do is ratchet this at this point. So I'm going to hold with this hand, and I'm going to hold with the other, and let me go the other way on this. And I'm going to let go with that hand and just keep ratcheting all the way around. And it can be really quick. Let's see how fast I can go. My Echo rep's going to come back in here and say, I could do that twice as fast. But for a normal human being that doesn't do this every day, that is pretty darn quick to do the trimmer line. And obviously, if you didn't get it perfect, you could cut a piece of a line off there. So Echo makes phenomenal products, and that's just a huge advantage to having an Echo. And thanks for tuning in. Just remember, if you are new to the channel, it helps us so much if you like and subscribe. If that helped you, if you didn't know how to do that before, please do that. It helps us out bunches. Again, Howe Equipment, located in Jackson, Michigan. Thanks for tuning in. And all you gotta do is feed this through so it lines up, and we'll go right through. I had the didn't clamp this down before we started. Let's retry that. Okay, all right, let's redo it.